Hello students. Today I am going to tell you a few sentences about butterfly. We all see butterfly and we like it very much because it has a colorful wings. Okay. So let us read about something, a few lines about butterfly. Here is the picture of a butterfly. Okay. And write CW and date at the top of your copy, in the top of your copy, and then write the heading butterfly. BUTTER butterfly. FLY butterfly. Okay students, first sentence is the butter, THE, the butter, 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 FLY, fly. The butterfly is a small insect that can fly. The butterfly is a small insect that can fly. Okay, first sentence. Second sentence is it has two wings, a body consisting of three parts: head, body, and tail, two antennas, and six legs. It has two wings, a body consisting of three parts: head, body, and tail, two antennas, and six legs. Sentence number 3. The butterfly is one of the most beautiful insects in the world. The butterfly is one of the most beautiful insect in the world. The butterfly is one of the most beautiful insect in the world. Next, the butterfly eats the nectar of the flower. Butterfly, one more sentence I will say here, that butterfly is a herbivorous insect. It eats plant, leaves of a plant. Okay, also. Sentence 5. Their lifespan is only 1 to 2 weeks. Very sad. Its life is very short span, only 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. Again I am repeating THE, the butterfly, BUTTER, butter, FLY, fly. Is a small, SMALL, small insect, 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 that, 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 can, FLY, fly. 2. Eat, has, TWO2, WINGS, wings, a body, 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 CONSISTING, consisting, of THREE3 PARTS, parts, HEAD, head, B-O-D-Y body, A-N-D and, T-A-I-L tail, T-W-O-2, A-N-T-E-N-N-A-S antennas, A-N-D and, S-I-X-6, L-E-G as legs. It has two wings, a body consisting of three parts, head, body and tail, two antennas and six legs. The the B-U-T-T-E-R butter, F-L-Y fly, is O-N-E-1, O-F of, T-H-E the, M-O-S-T most, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L beautiful, I-N-S-E-C-T-S insects, I-N in, T-H-E the, W-O-R-L the world. Question number 4. The the B-U-T-T-E-R butter, F-L-Y fly, E-A-T-S its, T-H-E the, N-E-C-T-A-R nectar, O-F of, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S flowers. The butterfly eats the nectar of the flowers. 5 number, T-H-E-I-R there, L-I-F-E life, S-P-A-N span is only 1 to 2 weeks. O S-P-A-N span, I-S is O-N-L-Y only 1 dash 2 weeks, W-E-E-K-S weeks. So student, I hope you can understand this video, this topic about butterfly. Okay, your task is to read and write these lines about butterfly in your copy, language copy, with a beautiful picture of a butterfly. You can draw a picture, you have to draw a picture of a butterfly in your copy before start writing these lines. Okay, so I hope you can understand it. So learn and write.